Hey, planner babes. This is Mary with My Beautiful Mess. And today I'm going to show you how to do a happy planner ornament. I've done a couple of other videos. Hopefully you've been able to see them. But today I'm going to do a real simple one. And this is just using a glass, like a porcelain white ball ornament. And then we're going to use some stickers that are in the Christmas Joy sticker book. I can't remember if this is at Joann's or not. I do know it's at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and of course on the Mambi site. The ornament I found at Hobby Lobby for $2.99, and then it was on sale because every Christmas thing is 50% off at Hobby Lobby. So ended up just being like $1.50, and then I'm just using the stickers that I already had in the sticker book. And we're going to use this page from the Christmas Joy sticker book. It's clear stickers. We're using Santa Claus and llamas. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to take a sticker from the sticker book. If I can get this off. Okay, this one, this is clearly stuck. Okay, I don't want to tear it. I'm gonna be really careful. Okay, all right, and I'm going to just actually place this in the center of the ball. And you want to make sure you rub it down very gently. And you really want to try to iron out any kind of like little ripples. And to do that, you start from the center and you basically push out and make sure you get all the air out of it. And you may have to readjust. I found you have to kind of readjust the sticker a little bit to do it as well as you can. It's not always perfect because you're putting something flat onto a round surface. It's not always going to be super perfect, but just do your best. Okay. And then lastly, we're going to basically just turn it on the other side, and we're going to put just a mirror image on the other side as well. So you can do this, make sure you have it kind of lined up. And you're just gonna, oops, I messed that up, see? You just have to kind of fix it and use your best kind of judgment to make it all work. I am going to work a lot of this off off camera because it's just so time consuming to try to do that. But you kind of get the gist. And then we're going to add some pretty trees. And you know, I think it's very possible that you may have a few wrinkles here and there once you're done. I don't think anybody's going to really be studying that closely. Oh no, this one tore. That's the only thing I don't really care about when it comes to these clear stickers. They do seem to tear very easily, and they don't always seem to be as well cut as the paper ones. And I'm going to use another little tree. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to apply some Mod Podge. And I don't know if y'all have ever used it. I have done decoupaging in the past, and that's basically all we're going to do with this to seal in the stickers is we're going to put a layer of Mod Podge over it. It's basically like a glue or like a paste. It dries clear, but you just brush it on top of your paper or your stickers, and it basically just kind of makes a seal so that the edges don't start picking up over time. So that's it. That's all we're going to do. That'll be the last step. I'm going to work some of these little kinks off camera and then show you the Mod Podge, and then that's it. You're all done. It is super easy and really quick to make. Okay, y'all. So a couple of tips while I'm doing this. First of all, I found like a credit card actually does really, really well at getting rid of a lot of the little bumps. So almost like putting on like an iPhone screen protector, you can use that to kind of work it out. I did it well on this side, so I just kind of wanted to show you. I'll do it here. I actually found that if you cut some of the sticker, if you put some slits in it, you can actually get it to lay it down a little easier. So let me explain what I mean. So like I keep getting a bump like right around here. So what I'm going to do is actually just make a slit with a scalpel, and I'm going to lay that flat, and then I'm just going to kind of reposition this side, and that took care of that little bubble that was there. And I'm going to do the same thing with this little area because it seems to kind of bubble up there. So I'm going to lay that flat down, and then I can redo that one, and then that bump's gone. And I kind of am just going to do the whole llama that way. I did the other side. I just kind of cut little slits, see where it's like bunching up here, so that the sticker can overlap a little bit. Obviously it does it better if you do it on like clear areas or white areas of the sticker. It's less noticeable, kind of where it's starting to bunch up. Like I did another one here on the other side, so that this could I could get this part to lay flat, and then I could reapply that like that. And I basically did another one here. I mean, you'll see that that's kind of how I did the other side, and that kind of fixed the problem. And that helped. And then, so now after we're done doing this, then we're going to go ahead and Mod Podge it. This was definitely a learning curve for me, but it's going to end up being really cute, y'all. It really is.